Have you been adding chia seeds to everything? Your smoothies, your yogurt, even your water, hoping they'll magically help you shed those extra pounds? Well, it's time for a little reality check. While chia seeds are definitely healthy, they might not be the fat-burning superstars you think they are. In fact, there are three other, often overlooked seeds that can be way more effective. They can help speed up your metabolism, get your cravings under control, and potentially burn fat up to 3 times faster. So, let's dive into what these seeds are, how they work their magic, and how you can easily start using them today. First up, let's talk about flax seeds. These small, golden brown seeds are absolute powerhouses. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and compounds called lignans, which are fantastic for reducing inflammation and improving how your body uses fat for energy. But that's not all. Flax seeds are also packed with soluble fiber. When you eat them, this fiber expands in your stomach, making you feel full and satisfied for hours. This means you'll have fewer cravings, you'll snack less, and your appetite will be much more stable. All crucial elements when you're on a weight loss journey. Research even suggests that flax seeds can help balance hormones, particularly for women, which can make it easier to lose that stubborn belly fat. So, how do you use them? It's super simple. Just soak 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in water overnight. In the morning, you can blend them into your smoothie, stir them into your oatmeal, or even just drink the water they were soaked in. If you make this a daily habit, you'll likely start to notice better digestion, less bloating, and a leaner feeling around your middle over time. Next on our list is fenugreek, also known as methidana. This one is a true hidden gem in the world of fat loss. Fenugreek seeds work by helping to regulate your blood sugar levels and slowing down the absorption of fat from your food. What does that mean for you? It means your body is encouraged to burn the fat it already has stored instead of creating new fat cells. Fenugreek is also amazing for appetite control because it enhances feelings of fullness. So, if you're someone who constantly battles late-night snacking urges or intense sugar cravings, fenugreek could become your new best friend. To use them, just soak 1 teaspoon of the seeds in water overnight. Then, first thing in the morning, drink that water on an empty stomach. It does have a slightly bitter taste, but the benefits for your digestion, fat metabolism, and energy levels are totally worth it. And finally, our third secret weapon, black cumin seeds, also known as kalonji. There's a reason these tiny black seeds are sometimes called the seed of blessing. Black cumin helps your body burn fat more quickly by giving your metabolism a nice boost and improving insulin sensitivity. It also plays a key role in detoxifying the liver, which is one of the most critical organs for metabolizing fat. When your liver is clean and functioning at its best, your body's ability to break down fat naturally becomes much more efficient. You can easily add them to your routine by mixing a pinch of black cumin powder into a glass of warm water with lemon in the morning. You can also just sprinkle the powder over your meals, or for a powerful little detox shot, mix it with a bit of honey. So, here's the bottom line. Chia seeds are good, but if you're serious about fat loss, flax seeds, fenugreek seeds, and black cumin seeds can take your results to a whole new level. They work naturally to improve your metabolism, balance your hormones, control your hunger, and help your body use fat for fuel. Try picking just one of these to add to your daily routine and see how you feel after a few weeks. It's all about simple ingredients and ancient wisdom leading to real results. Sometimes nature has already provided us with everything we need. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.